Every inch of the Stingray exterior was engineered with aerodynamics in mind. The convertible design mimics the couped roof to reduce drag, while the full power top has been redesigned to be tighter and smoother over previous generation. Designed to accentuate the Stingray profile with the top down, convertible delivered the same optimal performance regardless of body style. The drop top is fully electronic and can be lowered remotely using the key fob or at a speed of up to 30 miles per hour without the need for mechanical latches. With the top up, a thick 3-ply design ensures maximum sound absorption for a quiet cabin. And when you decide to put the top down, it hides beneath a body color cover, flowing down in a waterfall design between the seats. Alright guys, that is it for today's review. I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time.